So this time of year, we have a lot of requests for boat covers. So I want to go ahead and build a popular size and another popular style, which we call a utility. That way you have a little extra storage for your boat or whatever rig you're storing for the winter. We're going to start off with a 12 by 30 by 12. There's a lot of different boat sizes, but generally speaking, 12 wide is what you need, and then 30 long, and then 12 foot high. Sometimes 10 foot high will get you the proper amount of size for a boat. It just depends on the actual boat itself. But so we'll start with a regular style roof this time. This isn't always the roof I recommend, but I want to go ahead and build one of these buildings so you can see what it actually looks like. So on the vertical building, if you watched our other videos, the vertical goes from the ridge down to the eave. But on a regular style building, our bows actually have, or the trusses, have a rounded edge. So that's how we actually wrap the corrugated metal, and the corrugation runs from front to back, and then it wraps around this edge. And that's what we call the regular style roof. So we go regular style roof. Now we're going to go 12 wide and then 31 long. Now remember, when we do 31 long, that is the roof measurement, so that's from front to back on the roof. And we have 6 inches of overhang. You can see here we have 6 inches on each side, so that means the footprint on the frame from front to back is 30. So that's what we call it there. Now a lot of times folks want sides down, so we're going to do some sides to cover the boat more. I'm going to do 6-foot panels on each side of this example here. That'll give the boat or the rig really good coverage. I always like to put J-trim because it looks really nice. You can see down here where the J-trim comes in there. So this is our boat cover, as it were. Let's change some options on this. We want to certify this. We're putting an expensive rig underneath here. Most boats are a pretty good investment, so we want to certify it for that wind load to make sure that it is certified. And then let's change the color. Let's go with a nice, let's go king blue on the sides, and then white trim. You see there, nice king blue. Maybe we're putting a racing boat in here, huh? Okay. Now, let's go back up here to some of our other options. So we've got a 12 by 31 by 12. So let's say we're putting a bass boat in here, and we want to go to a 10 foot. We don't need quite the height on it. And then let's say we want a little, we don't need the whole 30 feet. Actually, let's say we have 30 feet. But let's add 36. So 36 foot is a breaking point for this regular style roof. The reason why with our manufacturer that they won't go over 36 foot long with the regular style roof is because this metal is 36 foot long when it's on the trailer. So we can't get over the 36 foot long on a trailer, which means that if it was over 36 foot long, we would have a seam in this roof. And a seam in this roof is only going to cause leaking problems, which that's kind of the purpose of the cover, to keep it out of the weather. So having a potential leaky roof kind of defeats the purpose. So our manufacturer will not install over 36 foot with a regular style roof, and I really wouldn't recommend it. My recommendation is the vertical roof because it is the better roof style. But if you're looking for price and you're just wanting to keep some things dry, this roof isn't bad. So we're going to go to 10 foot. Let's say we're doing a bass boat. And let's say we want a storage part of this. So a storage shed in the back. So we're going to come up here to style up front. We're going to go storage. And then we're going to do back, because that gives us the storage on the back of the building. See that there? Now there's a 5-foot storage that's fully enclosed. We got to change our colors there. Let's go do that real quick. Change our colors so it's all matching. We'll go to the end wall. There we go. Now that's king blue. Okay. And then let's say we want to put a door in here for a storage door. Let's do a roll up. And let's put, so that's a 6 by 6, but let's put an 8 by 8 in here. And actually, let's make it a certified door. So it's certified for the wind load. Okay, so now we got a storage door in there. But let's say we want more than 5 foot, because these are 5 foot centers. So you see that this is a 5 foot storage, so it'd be 12 by 5. But let's say we want 10 foot. So we come up here to size, and we see our center storage depth is 5 foot here. We want to go to 10. So that gives us a 10-foot storage there. And you know what? Let's just say that we want to be able to enter in on the side. Let's put a door over here on the storage. There we go. There's our door. Let's put it here. Okay. So there's our storage facility on our cover for our boat. You know what? I'm noticing somehow. Let's see here. Oh no, it's white. That's right. We have the J trim here. Okay, so that is a 12 by 36 by 10 foot boat cover with a utility storage for all your goodies, your tubes, your fishing poles, your extra fuel, your ropes, all that kind of good stuff that comes along with boating. It's all right there in your shed. You could put an RV in here, you could put a truck in here, you could put another type of trailer in here. But this is a very common type little building that stores boats and all the stuff that goes along with boats. So thanks for watching the video today. If you like this building, please like and subscribe down below and watch our other building videos so you can see how they're built in our 3D model. And then you can go to our website, mondohomes.com. Right up here, mondohomes.com. You can call us with any questions. Our phone number is right here. We'll put that down in the down below, and we'll put the link to this building down below. If you really like this building, want to customize it yourself, maybe change the color, I'll put the link down below. And just like it and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks a lot, guys.